Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Quora app in few seconds. So it's very simple. First of all, you just have to open the Quora app in your mobile. But if you don't have Quora app, just go and download it from Play Store. So now you just need to go to Quora app. So this is my home page in Quora app. Just go to the key sign which is in the top left corner. Just click on this. And in the bottom of the screen, you can see your settings. Just click on this. Right after that, you can see here privacy, which is in the second line. Just click on this and scroll down a bit. And here you can see delete or deactivate your account. Inside this, you can see two options, which are deactivate account in all languages or delete accounts. So here I need to delete my account of Quora. Just click on delete account. And here you need to press your password and click on done. So in this way, you can just delete your Quora account in few seconds. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to comment down below. Thank you.